Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Makari's Cakes here. So in this video I'll be sharing with you all how to make this your delicious ice cream using a powdered whipped cream. Yes, I use the whipped cream powder to achieve something delicious like this one. So if you're really interested to watch the video on how I made this, then I want you all to sit back, relax and enjoy the video to the end. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Alright guys, you're welcome back. So in this video I used the brand called Miesta whipping cream. If you're a baker, you would know this popular brand. Please, this is not an advert. I'm just trying to share the brand that I normally use. Okay, so this is a powdered whipping cream and that I'm using, and you can see how the texture of the ice cream is. So just in case you want to do a ice cream for your customers or anybody, and you're been having shortage of the liquid whipping cream, mind you can use the liquid whipping cream and or the powdered, but for this video I want to share with you all that you can also use powdered whipping cream to achieve a creamy ice cream. Okay, so if you're looking for something to make for your family and friends and guests, this Christmas holiday, then you can try something like this, and it's super affordable. So firstly I try to whip my whipping cream first. Make sure that you whip your whipping cream till it's stiff peak, okay, and well creamy enough. Use cold water. So for the second ingredient I am adding my condensed milk and the flavor. So if you want to make any type of flavor, if you for instance you want to make the chocolate whipping cream, the chocolate ice cream, you can mix it with chocolate ganache, okay, and then some melted chocolate to achieve that taste of chocolate ice cream. So after you've added your condensed milk, you whip it very well. But because I'm trying to achieve the Oreos cookies and cream ice cream, this is what I did here. Okay, I make sure that I crushed my Oreos. So by the time you get to this point, please do not use the mixer, right? Use your spatula to fold properly. Please, I come again, when you whip your whipping cream for the first time, please use cold water to whip it very well until stiff peak. Then when you add in your condensed milk, reduce the speed of your mixer, okay, then so you can have something creamy and not too light. As you can see here, my ice cream is not too light, it's perfect. So when you're done with all this process, make sure that you put it in your freezer, store it there for long hours. This is a very simple procedure. It's not difficult. Please check for the recipe in the description of this video, okay. So I had to freeze my ice cream for over 8 hours, and when it was time, this is how it's looking like. So when it's ready, you scoop and enjoy with your family and friends, okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See how creamy this ice cream is. Even if you're trying to use the heavy whipping cream, there's not much difference, okay. So it's the same result and the same procedure, right? So if you really enjoyed watching this video and you gained one or two things, please like the video, share the video, subscribe to my channel, and also drop your comments and let me know what you think about this video. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Merry Christmas in advance, guys. Bye.
Christmas tree.